Hey guys, welcome back. It's the freaking weekend and we back to do another cook with me, cook with you. So today I'm making something that is just, I don't even want to tell you, but I gotta tell you, because if I don't tell you, how you gonna cook it? How you gonna stay tuned? How you gonna watch to the end? Because I need you to watch to the end. All right, you hear me? I see you back there. Got your notebook out. Okay, let's do it. I'm telling you, you know how I cook, you know how I get down, semi-homemade, semi-store-bought, all together with love from the heart. So what we're about to do is get into this cook. I want you to take notes. I want you to know. I'm going to have everything listed in the description box below. And if you feel like you want to add or tweak something, listen, come here. Tell me, because I'm trying to cook what you cook. And then it could be like our famous recipe, you know? Our famous recipe, not yours. Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Because I didn't have to tell you about this. But let's get into it. Follow me in the kitchen. Whoop! Alright guys, today we're going to make a flash, quick, healthy meal. Why I'm calling it a flash, quick, healthy meal, because it takes less than 10 minutes to cook this. It's a healthy meal and you can do it in a flash. Duh. So come with me and let's go and do a rundown of the ingredients. So this is going to be an extra healthy meal because we have a cup of mushrooms. We have about a half a cup of red onions. I like red onions, I prefer. We have some diced or minced or chopped garlic. I have a seasoning pack, which is just spaghetti sauce mix. It makes the sauce a little thicker. I have adobe seasoning. It's the garlic white pepper mix. And then I have some zucchini noodles, which is way better and healthy than regular noodles. And then I have Morningstar grilled crumble, which if you're a meat eater and you're trying to cut back on the red meat or you want to do a healthier option, I'm telling you right now, this is great. You wouldn't know the difference. They have like a couple different flavors that you can go buy and purchase, and you really wouldn't know the difference at all. And on top of that, we even going extra healthy, low calories, prego spaghetti sauce, traditional, 45 calories, a half a cup. Bam. So this is all the stuff that you need, and it doesn't take long to do. You also can add a little bit of Italian seasoning, a little salt, a little pepper as we go ahead and cook. So let's move over and let's get to cooking. What you want to do first of all, get your pot ready, boil it, add some salt because we're going to add the zucchini noodles in there, and that doesn't take long at all. But let's get to our cook pan and get this party started. Alright, so what you need, I have a little bit of oil in here. I was using this pan for something else, but add your tablespoon of oil, and you want your oven on medium high. You want to add your red onion or whatever onion color that you prefer to use. You want to go ahead and add your mushrooms in here as well. And you do not need a lot of oil because we're making this healthy. It's a flash meal, okay? Next thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your crumble. Oops, there you go. Crumble, and you want to measure it out. So on here it says about a half a cup of 70 calories per person. I'm making this for 2 people. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. I'm more of a sauce type of girl. So that's all you need to do. And then you need to just sprinkle a little bit of your seasoning on top. Mix this around and let it take its course and cook. Now the meat is actually cooked already, so you don't have to do too much but warm it up, unthaw it, and let it get its sizzle. Let the onions a little bit go to a caramelization and the mushrooms soak up all the good ingredients. So I'm going to let this go and take its course, and when I come back I'm going to show you how we're going to bump up the flavor and the volume on this flash, quick, healthy meal. Alright, hear the sounds, hear the sizzle, you're doing good. So at this time you just want to stir it up a little bit more. You want to go ahead and cut it down to like a low temperature, and then you want to go ahead and dump that garlic in there. You're going to let this cook just a few more minutes, and then you're going to add your tomato sauce, and you're going to let that tomato sauce get a little bit warm. you're going to go ahead and add that spaghetti seasoning pack. But as that is going on, you want to take that water that you've been boiling in the back, which is right here, it's been boiling. Add you about 3 or 4 tablespoons of salt, and then you want to hurry up and blanch your zucchini noodles in there. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. And the zucchini noodles, you can put them in the microwave and warm them up in hot water, or you can just do what I'm doing and just put them in this pot in the back and let them get all nice and warm, unless you like cold noodles. And I'm just going to show you what I actually did back there. That's all. I didn't do too much. I'm just going to let that go for about 2 or 3 minutes, and this whole meal is going to be done. So let's move back over to our sizzling meat. Alright, so we got the garlic in here, and if you could smell this, I'm telling you, you'd be like, I'm ready to eat right now. So I cut it down to a medium low. I'm going to add my Prego low calorie sauce. I'm going to add about half of this in there. I don't like my spaghetti dry, so I'm going to sauce it up. Then on top of that, I'm going to add half a pack of this spaghetti sauce, mixture in, and you just sprinkle it on top. This pack is pretty full. And I'm going to stir that up. Now at this time, you're going to let this simmer. That's why I want you to put it on low. And you're going to taste it after it starts simmering and bubbling just a little bit. And then you're going to move on to taking your noodles out and plating them. Or if you are like me, you like it already mixed together, so you know that your sauce has been incorporated in your noodles and you don't have to worry about adding more sauce because you let the noodles sit and the sauce on top. So it's really up to you. So stir this around, make sure the sauce is incorporated with the meat, let it sit and simmer, and then make sure you just check on your noodles in the back. And your dinner is going to be done. I'm going to let y'all see this. This is cooking and it's looking great and it's tasting good. It's optional, but I'm going to add just a little bit of accent salt in here, which is my favorite. And I'm going to add a pinch of pepper. And I'm going to let this finish off cooking. And then we're going to move ahead and drain these zucchini noodles and get them ready to be prepared for this sauce. And stir this up one more time and let it sit. So if you're on a healthy kick and you're like, you know, I don't want my plate to look no different than my family's, so I don't want them to really be asking like, where are you eating or why you not eating when we're eating, when technically you are, because well, look at these noodles, baby. They wouldn't know the difference. I mean, you really wouldn't know the difference. So I'm going to show you how I eat mine, and I want y'all to go ahead and make your own and tell me if you like it or not. Now you don't watch this far, I'm going to need you to like, hit that button, subscribe, leave a comment below, and tell me how you like this recipe that I gave you. Alright, I'm just going to get a little bit and show you how I make my plate, because I'm a little different. And I just sprinkle a little cheese on top. Yeah, try this, tell me what you think. Till next time.